Hello, this is Dr. Lukes. I'm still sick, so again, we have our TA helping run class today. What we're going to be looking at today is the effect of changing the reflux ratio, R. And we've been looking at this problem where our base case is Z, the feed, has a composition of 40% methanol. We want a bottoms product that's 10% methanol, distillate 90%. And we've been using a reflux ratio of 1, and we started with a Q of 1. And yesterday, or last class, we looked at varying the Q. Today we want to look and see what happens when we change the reflux ratio. So you'll recall that reflux ratio figures into how we calculate the slope of the enriching section operating line. The slope is L over V by definition, but in terms of reflux ratio, it's R over R plus 1. And so we're going to be looking at some various values. So I'd like for you all to kind of divide up and look at different values, 0, 2, 9, and infinity. And I want you to do this fairly quickly, so I've shown you that. Notice I just kind of sketched it out. I didn't really carefully draw in all the stair steps. I did carefully draw in the operating lines, but not the stair steps. And for today, just do that, okay? What I want you to do is very quickly come to a determination of whether or not this is even a possible scenario. It may not be possible to do this distillation. Or if it is possible, tell me, is it going to have more or less stages than what we had before in our original case? So when we've done this, I've got 5 stages plus a reboiler, and I want you guys to take some time now and sketch out your case.